Is it a good idea to buy a property with a sibling or friend? My name is Jessica Brady. I'm a financial advisor and money expert. Now, over recent years, we have seen an increase in properties being purchased either with a sibling or a friend. But there are some things you need to think about. Now, whilst it might allow you to enter the property market sooner or give you a bigger budget or reduce your mortgage repayments, emotions are definitely at play here. So what are some of the things that you need to think about? Firstly, how you're going to own the property. Are you going to do joint tenants or tenants in common? Now, these might sound similar, but they are quite different. So do make sure you get your head around what they actually are when deciding what's right for you. It's really important that you sit down together and communicate. What's the strategy for this property? Are you both happy to live in it or just have it as an investment property? What is the exit strategy and are you aligned on that? And for goodness sake, no matter how much you love them, you must get it all legally signed off and in writing. So buying a property with a friend or a sibling might be a perfect option for you if you're both aligned, you've communicated the property strategy and you have everything in writing.